Okay, just first watch. Okay, I just make it little roundish over here. Okay, all line are roundish. The art style, understanding the art style. That time, it is a cartoony art, so we are making little bit of the line, not making very nice. Okay, little bit of ups and downs, so it just looks funny. So it is intentionally we are making little ups and down line. So and the card also the 1970s. So this is we are maintaining this that uh, the time periods. Okay, so here I just make first one box kind of. You can draw the box or oval like this. Some design like a a Toyota, BMW, a Mercedes, something like that. Some design this time period. And make sure the all line are very funny, very not cool. Just watch first. No need to draw now. We just explore it. Okay. See here. I just creating here. I give time after 2 minutes. Okay. You can again start. I not finish full first full drawing. Just to mention this and this are same. Okay. Creating this because today my topic is the 70s book illustration, especially the cartoonists. The great cartoonists of India is R.K. Lakshman, another artist, but this is artist that's a different name. It's the R.K. Lakshman, but fine. So, okay, let's start that much first.